Gwiraga guku tugaga ni Kikuyu #1 entertainment channel. Muthenya umuthi uyu ni ndarigwo mureyuria ainaga kurutie twamuona. Ongiririkana njamba ino niko ikioneka kuria naini muno niko gibanga magongona na tondu turaugire tukunyitirira andu othe nikio twi haha tukorwo tugi support njamba ino atwiretagwo atia nikiekaga tondu we riu ni atwikite celeb muno kuria ng'enda-ini ri is one of the celebrities kwira ate njamba
Utie na uru.
Yes. Geithia mwiroreri no mwiroreri wate.
Mwiroreri wa Kikuyu Vibes kunyita ugeni na ngagikugeithia nderwo ngugeithie maritwa njitagwo Kaburu. Andu ingi manjui Kaburu, kwina aria manjui Kaburu comedian. Thaici manjui ta from manager because that's what I'm doing. No ngiuga comedian, it's still in me, it's a talent.
Ndago kuria tondu no amenya ndu marauga ati comedy kai wahura comedy gwaku no amenya no yuri uguo ati comedian tutionaga
Okay, kuri andu aria gwa thaici andu ingi manjui ta from manager, but kitambo I've been to the art industry doing comedy.
Okay, kego kati short holo wa comedy. Make me happy, make me laugh.
Okay, reke ngwire until I decided comedy gutiri kindu kihuthu kana gutiri kindu kiritu ta comedy andu Ngai ja guthekia andu ahutu kana andu aharu kana arefi. Until now I decided I have to quit comedy and push out something. I used to do that back then. Niyo yarihaga nyumba niyo yekaga again not until twamitaga guthi Embu.
Ona tutia riu no twenda kwari horo ru andu guthi Embu.
Guthi Embu ri.
Aha mwirori ngwiraga andu aya mari kwena mic ni mahana politicians. Twi haha ni undu wa we as a planner, event planner. Nitukoretwo kuona muno na aini muno makiria mugithi. You have been planning the events. How is the journey?
The journey is good. I would say it has been a good I have had a good time with the artists.
Guko twaria githungu gatukanie twatwarire githungu muno.
Ona githungu ndiko njui. Njaragia ndisi andu. No ni njui gubanga nikuo kurehaga thina. Riu nikio raikigua ngagitukania.
Tukania ati you know I've been
karugendo kau ni gakoretwo gekega na the reception ya ini reke njuge ni manyitireire na njira nene tondu na gugiuka uka introduce a new thing to the mugithi industry na makako accept ri ni kindu kimwe kinene muno, but it has been a journey. Reke njuge from managing mundu uria toy from managing ni kiri
no kore mundu
onaga Kaburu from manager, but they have never known what is that. A from manager ni mundu uria koragwo na wigiririku wa kurugamirira igongona wita na igongona ugoka ukanengera igongona riu ukanjira I want you to be my from manager in my event, kumaanisha from the program, from the stage operations, ni muini uriku kuina ekuingira thaa cigana ekuina ndagika cigana we ni we wina wigiririku ucio oko ni MC nake eguka ekuga atia. So I have the program, I have everything. As a from manager, you are there to learn the show and the whole program. So it has been a journey. Na gaka ni kaundu ndakiambitie back in 2019. From manage show yetagwo Wing'aurire comedy show ya tongoragio ni mundu witagwo Jeff Kuria. Gigiuka bado ni ndaranaga theater bado as a from manager. And then still coming on to it, Churchill show in some events, because actually the person, and I want to big up this guy, how to from manage etagwo Shaggy. He has been from manager for Churchill show for the longest time. Let me big up you Shaggy wherever you are. So from there bado tuoka show igire etagwo Kajim show area turamikagira hard as Bayan until we went for a break, and then after the break now we explode now from the shows tukigirira kindu twitaga mugithi industry entertainment. Besides it nimekuwa bado kwa show itagwo Wamusi show inaongozwa na Sami Kioko, Tom Daktari. Hiyo ni show ya Wakamba. Nimefanya bado show Tashia Terence bado wash icon from managed it, and again like juge ni ajani. So as a from manager tiati ni dreary meet ni show ni event ni mugithi ni gospel ni ciothe. If you have any event ya kiharo ya Jonathan no ithwe twekire kuria kundu gugwitwo Muranga ndekire ya Karo Mwaura, so meaning na mix gospel mugithi na riu gwa thaici ri haria andu ingi marakenyona muno ri ni the mugithi industry. Na so far no njuge gutire muini almost each and every artist itarutithanitie nake wira from Samido, Waithaka, Jose, Joyce wa Mama, Syke Junior,
acio othe ngwirire mwirori utamwehereria Mike atinde guko akiga na andu othe na riu ri ni challenge iriku wewe floor manager wanacemania nayo?
As a floor manager, challenges citiagaga tondu sometimes we work with time. Na rimwe ni ukoraga time day na ingira na kuringana na uria mugubangite, so gutiagaga riri kaundu karia gagukorwo, why did you give me this time and then you fail to give me this time kwa stage. No gutiagaga tu maundu tu, but it's good we learn even how to adapt with the situations, kulan guikarania na andu, but I would say so far so
good. Kuna ringi mana yuria andu aya othe ri na iguru ne kawe jabani tondu ona mwakiona ena nderu, he is still young, otete atia gukorwo ukiwaka na andu aya othe?
Wa mbere reke njuge it's all about working with favor ya Ngai. Kiu nikio kindu kia mbere. Second thing, gwituma. No matter what, never stop and never lose hope. It has been a journey. Kaburu ndaumite haha. Niĩ thaa ici njugaga it's God grace. For those who have not known, also ngika comedy na in my acting journey na in my from managing journey, in between he maundu ndekaga ngoretwo ngiruta biashara. Kwina andu matoi actually sai I believe I'm the best cook wa chapo because I used to do them in the streets. Kundu gwitagwo Githurai, Mwihoko Road. I used to do that. Nona, so besides gukorwo ni ndirathi kugeria auditions, ni ndirathi haha ni nyonire igongona, ni ngoretwo ngika maundu ta mau. And then for the last 4 years ngoretwo ndi ndereba wa tuk-tuk, a tuk-tuk operator. And now bado nginganganaga, so the main goal ni Ngai mbere na favor ya Ngai ikandongoria to a point now that undu uyu ndatũire ndiriragiria ri ugakinya handu ugetikirika kuri andu, wetikirika kuri andu ri, and now it has grown. My from managing job igaciara kambuni na niyo itagwo Kaburu Events Media Solutions.
No kigwa ni jabani ni kuma kwendia chapo na muthenya umuthi no ndathoma matereba ma tuk-tuk batitagwo tuk-tuk driver, metagwo tuk-tuk operator. No akigwa koguo ari kuma, no akigwa it's a journey. Gwituma ni kindu gia bata kuma Githurai kuruga cabaci kuria bara-ini iria mwatukana ci 10 miaka ena, mundu ucio atwarite tuk-tuk operator na unatwa keo na kuma hau akorwo he is the best floor manager that we have in the industry. No akigwa kuma wash agatrust on yakina Terence, Samido, Waithaka wa Jini, uthie kure ikinya ukamba-ini. He is one of the best planner we have. Ungikorwo kienda igongona na ndire kore kimanage wega, etagwo Kaburu. Ungigira kure mwena-ini wa Facebook ni gukora Kaburu Floor Kaburu.
Dina page na dina account. My Facebook account jitaga Kaburu, Kafuru space Kaburu ege Kafuru. And then ugigira Facebook page, got a new page ria ndirambiriirie juzi, and I would say thank you muno kuri ma fans ni marani accept wega na ni in a growth. Uigire haria usearch Kaburu Events Media Solutions. Kaburu Events Media Solution. Kaburu ni ya F ti ya B.
Hena namba cia thimu hari mundu ungienda gukorwo agikuhe wira?
Okay, mundu wothe wi hau na ni urenda kuhe wira, either wago from manage, wago gubangira igongona ria birthday, we cover also ginya funerals, mohiki, undu wothe igongona riothe urenda na logistics yothe, in case wina site visit na ni urenda maundu mothe logistics chiranwo, ni urenda kuhingura handu, yani tu maundu tu tuothe on behalf of you de haha. Na namba yakwa ya thimu ni 0703 351 800. Namba yakwa ya thimu ni 0703 351 800. No WhatsApp na no mihore.
Thank you muno na ithui kuma timu ya Kikuyu Vibes tukakwendithiria thabari njega thiini wa industry no. You're still young na no akigwa kindu gia bata ni mwirori ni gwituma na ungikorwo huri jamba nini na niuga no wende gugakinya handu fulani, kindu gia bata utagi wakigwa kuma mundu etagwo Kaburu, kujituma ndio kila kitu. Cokeria aini othe kana ndothe wanarutithania wira tukirekereria utakugweta mari tondu rukwambire kugweta maritwa.
Wa mbere reke njuge Kaburu Events Media Solutions soon tugukorwo tukilaunch company iyo officially na njokerie Ngai ngatho from that ni hotete kwambia go train na so far I got three guys aria ndra train aria turihotaga guteithania nao na Ngai enda ihinda riu ria kinya no ngamwira na ngakihoya mugoka kunyitirira turugurie Kafuru Events Media Solutions udungi gwenda ku thank muini wothe handu hothe aruma we wa Secura we wa Mugithi we wa Gospel any presenter also investors ni manyitagirira na njira nene muno tondu ona umena magongona ni manjitaga na nyingi no turacemania nao magongona-ini maya ona ungenda kumacokeria ngatho muno also ndingiriganirwo ni uyu ni ukunjitikiria tu ndimugwete MC Jimmy Kajim Ngai wa muoyo akurathime actually that's the man uria watumire Kafuru for the first time agekira thuti. This is something that I've never disclosed to anyone else but today I disclose. I respect you MC Jimmy Kajim, thank you so much na nikio rire wona ngaretaga thuti kuria ukamenya because I believe once we start growing he handu hakinyaga you also change even your fashion and so ndiekirite thuti ever before na riria ndonire ni karanjagirira ri I think ona ndugamite mbere ya nduri he gateo heagwo and I also feel enyewe these are CEO
ndukimwitie kangi ka muico nigetha ngitheke kwire no wega kuga tucokerie mundu witagwo Kajim ngatho tondu na ithuĩ ni atuhile platform ya kurehere atwekaga mundu ga Kajim show ndagite gathuti kangi ona mwene
ni we haria wandutire na tondu ndiekirite gathuti kangi mbere ri mwega ndagikaga atia na wega ri
uri hago na wega
na nduiganaga ni koguo ri it's all about compassionate tũngĩgĩcoka haria ri ciringi yaku warutire gathuti gaku wathire ukingurira ukinjira gaka ungĩkĩnjĩra gĩra kangĩ ri niko hapa
yes tugacokeria andũ othe makorwo magĩsupport njamba njĩthĩ tucokerie mũndũ witũ Kajim na andũ othe marũga manyitagĩrĩra njamba ĩno tũthiĩ na mbere na kũmahe mawĩra na nĩgetha mũndũ ũyũ to waigua ena good thoughts wamũhe wĩra rĩ nĩ akũhota kũ launch company ĩyo na ndĩkane na okorwo wĩ hau nĩ wendaga gũkorwo rĩngĩ ũgĩka magongona rĩ he is the right guy kuma gũkũ Kikuyu Vibes tugaga we are number 1 Kikuyu entertainment channel twĩ haha nĩgetha tũkorwo tũgĩ-spice entertainment ya thini wa Ũgĩkũyũ ndakwa ngetwo Karenjo wa Mbũri kana gũboro mũndũ Kafuru kũrĩa YouTube Facebook tondu akiuga no comedian na ithuĩ rĩ YouTube Facebook Twitter kũndũ guothe Kikuyu Vibes arekwa ngetwo Karenjo wa Mbũri tũthiĩ na mbere na gũ support mathaga maitũ.